Everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to stop people commenting on your Steam profile, and this is easy to do. So if you're on your Steam Deck, go to the top right and go to your profile icon. Tap this, go to privacy settings. Now under here, we have these options. So we got my profile. You can choose this and this will change everything over. But if you have it set to public, you want to go down here, can post comments on my profile, and you can set this to private. So no one can leave a comment except you, otherwise you can go to friends only. And that will stop people leaving a little remark on your profile. So we can go on over to my profile. I don't think anyone has commented on it or done anything to that. So we can go back here, so view profile, scroll on down, no comments. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more technical videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.